You can create tasks in Basil and assign them to yourself, team members, or client users. Think of tasks as both to-do list items and a way to keep track of any work that needs to be performed. Tasks can help track time performed and use that information to bill your clients accurately. To create a task, click on the Tasks tab and then click the Add Tasks button. Make sure the client and workspace are selected. You can use the My Firm client for adding tasks related to internal operations of your company. You can now start adding tasks. You can choose from a number of preset task options or toggle Use Task Template to enter a task name as freeform text. The task should then be assigned to a specific user, be given a description, and add additional details by clicking Add Details. Here you can also mark the task as billable, including the number of budgeted hours set aside to complete the task, and set start and due dates for the task. Some preset tasks have built-in required fields. For example, the Upload a File task will allow you to select which folder you'd like the assigned user to upload to. The Download, Review, and e-Sign a File tasks will ask you to select the specific file you'd like the user to perform the task for. The Set up a Meeting task will ask to select a user's calendar, where the meeting will be added. When all the necessary information has been added, click on Done to confirm the task and return to the Create Tasks window. You can add additional tasks for this client and workspace if necessary. Once a task has been added to a row, you can use the Actions column to clone the task, such as if you'd like to assign the same task to multiple users, or click the trash can to delete the task from the current creation list. Once you've added all necessary tasks, click Save Tasks. If you'd like a reminder to be periodically sent to the assignees when they haven't completed the task, you can use Cora to automatically do that. I'm now going to add 2 more tasks as a demonstration. Alternative to tasks, you can choose to implement a project by clicking on Create Projects. A project is used for a process that has multiple tasks to be completed. However, we will not be covering projects in this video. You can see the new task in each of the 3 task views available. If you cannot see it, click the filter icon at the top to adjust your results. You can edit or delete a task by clicking the Edit or Delete button on any of the views. From the Spreadsheet view, first check the box in the first column and then go to the Actions menu and choose Edit or Delete. You can create new task types to be selected from when creating tasks to better suit the needs of your particular firm. Let's click our initials at the top right and select Settings, then Manage Task Stages and Types, and Add New Task Type. Type the name of your new type of task. You can select the gray exclamation mark on each of the task subfields to make them required fields that will need to be filled out when creating a new task of this type. You can click the X to remove any unnecessary fields. Click Save when you are finished. You'll be brought back to the Manage Task Stage and Type screen. Here you can scroll to the bottom of the list to see your new task type. You can click the eye icon to hide this task or any others from this list of selectable tasks when creating a new task. You may also click on the minus symbol to delete the custom task type from this list entirely. Use the checkboxes in each task stage column to determine if you need to use the stages for the given task type. Going back to the Tasks tab, you will now see your custom task type listed when making a new task.